I'm trying to executing. Now I'm enter the username ABC, XYZ, and the PQR. Now all conditions are failed. Sorry, try after some time. Now second time, I'm enter the username Shiva. Now enter the password Krish @125 Krish or the hash symbol 12. Sorry, try after some time. Next third scenario, username and password is matching. @123. No successfully login. Now observing very clearly, I am explaining. Okay, observing very clearly. First one, username count value is 0 and password count value is 0. This is a while loop. This is a which while loop? Infinite while loop. Now I am enter the username here, ABC. Now, whenever we enter the ABC, now check the condition. Username not equal to Shiva. Now I'm enter the username is ABC, but here I'm comparing Shiva. ABC not equal to Shiva. Condition is true or false?
Sir,
ABC not equal to Shiva.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, same logic we can use it for password also, no, sir.
Password?
In the password blog, we can use the same logic of username logic, no, sir.
If you're interested, you can write that one. Here I'm using different logic. Here I'm using equal to, here I'm using not equal to. If you're interested, we are using it.
Yes.
Here
Same.
also equal to operator. No problem.
Same logic will run, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, ABC. But this is a Shiva. ABC not equal to Shiva. Condition is true. Control go to if block. Now count value is updated. Now initially count value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Now control will go to here. 1 double equal to 3. Condition is true or false? 1 double equal to 3. False. Then immediately control will go to where? Else block. Now invalid username. Only percentage D means 3 minus username count 3. My requirement is 3 times I want to checking. That's why 3 minus username count value is 1, 2. That means invalid username. Only 2 attempts are available. Continue. Continue means don't executing remaining statements in this while loop. Again, control will go to while loop. Again asking username. Now I'm enter the username PQR. Okay. Now again checking the condition. PQR not equal to Shiva. Condition is true. Control will go to if block. Count value is updated. Now count value is 2. 2 double equal to 3. Condition fail. Control will go to else block. Invalid username. Only 1 attempt is available. Again control will go to while loop. Again asking username. Now I enter the username is Shiva. Shiva not equal to Shiva. Condition is true or false? Condition false. Shiva not equal to Shiva. Whenever if condition is fail, control will go to this else block. Now this is also infinite loop. Take the password. Now I enter the password. @143. Checking the password. Our password is Krish @143, but actual password is Krish @123. Both are not matching. Now condition is go to else block. Now password count value is updated. Now count value is 1. Initially 0. 0 plus 1, 1. If password count double equal to 3, break. Or otherwise control go to else block. Here condition is fail. 1 double equal to 3. Control will go to else block. Invalid password. Only 2 items are available. This is a continuous statement. Then immediately control will go to this loop. Okay, this continuous statement is related to this while loop. That's why control go to here. Again asking password. Now I enter the password. Krish @123. Now checking the password. Password is matching. Now control will go to this break statement. Already we are discussing whenever control reach the break statement, then immediately control will go to outside this while loop. Okay, within the outside the while loop, this is a which one? Break statement. Okay, whenever control reach this break statement, control will go to outside this else block. Okay, outside this else block, this is also another break statement. Whenever control, then immediately control will go to outside this main while loop. Outside the main while loop, this is the outside the main while loop. Now username is Shiva. Shiva equal to Shiva and password equal to Krish@123, Krish@123. And operator. If username and password both are equal, then only this condition is executed. Otherwise, sorry for later, try later sometime or some message else block is executed. Here condition is true. This message is executed successfully login. Okay, now observing very clearly one more time. For suppose here I am enter the username XYZ. Now username is not matching or now condition is true. Count value is updated. Count value is 1. Condition fail. Control go to here. Invalid username. Only 2 items are available. Again control go to while loop. Now I am enter the another username ABC. ABC not equal to Shiva. Condition is true. Control go to if block. Username count value is updated. Count value is 2. 2 double equal to 3. Condition fail. Control go to else block. Invalid username. Only 1 attempt is there. Again control go to while loop. Now I enter the value PQR. Now PQR not equal to Shiva. Condition is true. Username count value is updated. Now count value is 2 plus 1, 3. Now count value 3 double equal to 3. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Now break statement. This is a break statement. Once control reach this break statement, then immediately control will go to outside the while loop. Control will go to here. Here username. What is the username? PQR. PQR double equal to Shiva, but there is no password. We are not specifying any password. By default, password will automatically taken as a none value. None double equal to Krish condition fail. Here PQR double equal to Shiva condition fail. False and false and operator to give the false result. Now control go to else block. Sorry, try later sometime. That message is printed. For suppose your username is matching. Now ikkada password. Now here enter the password Krish. Now check the condition. Now what will be happen? Condition fail. Control go to else block. Count value is updated. Count value 0 plus 1, 1. 1 double equal to 3. Condition fail. Control go to else block. Invalid password. 2 items are available. This is a continuous statement. Again control go to this while loop. Again asking another password. Now I am password Krish 123. I am passing. Now Krish 123 at double equal to Krish@123. Condition fail. Control go to else block. Password count value is updated 2. If password count double equal to 3, that means count value is 2, 2 double equal to 3, condition failed, control go to else block, invalid password only, one attempt is there. Again control go to while loop. Now I enter the value password. Okay. Now check the password. Password is not matching. Control go to else block. Password count value is updated. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 double equal to 3. Condition is true. Control will go to this break statement. Whenever control reach this break statement, then immediately control will go to outside this else block. Outside this else block, don't return any logic. Then immediately control will go to outside this while loop. This is a break statement. Once control reach the break statement, then immediately control will go to outside this while loop. This is another break statement. Whenever control is this break statement, control will go to this one. Now what is the username? Shiva. Shiva double equal to Shiva. Condition is true. But password krish@143 double equal to krish@123. Condition is false. Here condition is true, but here second condition is false. True and false and operator. Both input values are true, then only true. But here one input is true, another input is false. True and false, false. Control go to else block. That message is printed. Sorry, try later sometime. Are you clear?
Sir, one doubt. So username count and password count you have created as global variables. So what about username and this password you just mentioned as local variables? So can we use the same
Okay.
variables
This is
for
not a local and global. Whenever we comes under the local and global at the time of discussing functions concept. Here I am not discussing any functions.
Okay.
Just I am defining the variables here. Okay, global
No.
variables, local variables we will discussing at the time of functions concept. At that time we will discuss it.
No, yesterday you were mentioning these two things like username. I mean, uname count and password count. We are declaring as global variables. So that's why I
Normally,
just.
global variables means at the time of defining the program, we can define the variable that is a global variables. Okay, we are understanding the differences between global and local at the time of discussing functions. Inside the function that is a local, here I am not defining any function.
Okay. Thank you.
All of you clear? Okay, this is the example for nested if, at the same time nested while loop. Okay, this is a nested if inside if condition. Next one, this is a nested while loop. This is a while loop inside another while loop. Three scenarios. First scenario, username, 3 times username fail. Second scenario, username is correct, but 3 times password is wrong. Completed. Next subheading, pass statement. Pass is a keyword in Python. Pass is a keyword in Python which is used to create a empty blocks. Empty blocks means like as a if block or else block, either elif block, either while block, either for block, either empty function, or empty class, or empty method in Python. Okay, in Python, if you want to create empty blocks, in that situation, we are using pass keyword. Anybody coming from C language? I'm coming to the Python. Okay, in real time, we are not implemented whole logic at a time. Depends upon the client requirement. Every time we are changing the logics. Sometimes you need to create a empty blocks. Later, we need to implement the logic. How to create empty blocks in C language? If a condition, this condition we can return depends upon the client requirement. Now simply we can open the curly braces and close the curly braces. This is a empty block representation C, C++, Java languages. Coming to the Python, if a condition, simply we are using pass. Anybody coming from either CSC or IT background, this is the very common in C language or C++ Java. In the latest versions, we are using if condition three dot symbols also we are using. The latest version, three dot symbols also we are using. Exactly three dots are required. We are taking as a less than 3 or greater than 3, we will get the syntax errors. Completed. Now observing very clearly. For suppose here I am using print hi. Now I am defining one block 3 less than 5. After defining the block in Python, next we are follow the space indentation. Without any space indentation, simply I am using here print by statement. Now then immediately I am trying to executing. We are getting the one syntax error. Expected an indentation block after if statement. That means whenever we can defining any block in Python, compulsory next we are follow the space indentation and we can write the statements by using space indentation concept. syntax error, expected an indentation block after if statement. After if statement. Syntax error, expected an indentation block after if statement. Okay. Now observing very clearly. Now I want to create a empty blocks. Now how to create a empty blocks? Simply we are using pass. Our code is executed. Completed.
Sir, when you say this, when we use pass keyword, then that is going to be empty black, right? So even though it is empty black, so we have to maintain the space indentation when we mention pass keyword, right?
The compulsory whenever we can define any block in Python, we are follow the space indentation. Okay, without any space indentation, we will get the syntax error. Okay, with the follow the space indentation, if we don't return any logic, okay, later we are implemented, just I am creating one empty block. In that situation, we are using pass keyword. This pass statement also should be represented to follow some space indentation concept. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's what my thank you.
Okay, same example in the latest versions of Python. Simply we are using 3 dot symbols also. Now it is executed. The old versions are not supported. This is the latest version feature. Okay. Now observing very clearly, by mistakenly, we are passing only 2 dot symbols. Now we will get the syntax error. For suppose we are passing 4 dots. In that situation also we are getting the error. Exactly 3 dot symbols are required. Next one, while else. In Python, while else is there. In other language, don't supporting while else. In Python, while else is also there. While else. Whenever while condition is fail, then only control will go to else block. Otherwise, control don't go to the else block. Whenever while condition is fail, then only control will go to else block. Otherwise, control don't go to the else block. While condition statement 1, statement 2, up to so on statement n. Else block statement 1, statement 2, up to so on statement n. Are you clear? Now observing very clearly. Start the program execution. After starting the program execution, whenever control will go to while condition, to check that while condition, while block will be executed. While block will be executed. Control will go to this one. Next control will go to this one whenever this condition is true. Now again control will go to while condition. This loop is continuously executed. Whenever our condition is fail, control will go to this block. Now this condition is failed. The else block logic is executed. Else block will be executed. After executing the else block and stop the execution. This is the while else flow chart. Completed. Now observing very clearly, this while block is executed number of times depends upon this condition. For suppose this condition is not true, at that time while block is not executed, but else block is executed only one time. But while block is executed depends upon this condition. How many number of times this condition is true, that number of times this while loop is executed. But else block is executed only one time. Now I equal to 0, while I less than 5, print high. If you interest, we can printing I value also. I plus equal to 1. Else block, print hello. And finally print by statement. With respect to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hello and by. This is a while loop logic. While loop logic executed repeated number of times depends upon our condition, but else block is executed only one time. Whenever while condition is failed, then only control will go to else block. Okay, initially I value 0. Now 0 less than 5. Now condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print this message hi. I value 0 is printed. Next I value is updated. Old I value is 0. 0 plus 1. Now I value is 1. Again control will go to while loop. Now check the condition. 1 less than 5 condition is true. Control will go to again while loop. Print hi. Now I value 1 is printed. Now I value is updated. 1 plus 1, 2. Again control go to while condition. Check the condition. 2 less than 5 condition is true. Control will go to again while loop. Print hi. Now I value is 2. Next one, I value is updated. I value is 3. Again control go to while loop. Now check the condition. 3 less than 5 condition is true. Again control go to while loop. Hi message is printed. Now I value is 3. I value is updated. Again control go to while condition. Check the condition. 4 less than 5 condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print hi. Now I value is 4 is printed. Now I value is updated 5. Again control will go to while condition. 5 less than 5. Now condition is fail. Control will go to else block. Print hello message is executed. Next one, after executing the hello message, again control will go to outside the else block. Print by statement is executed. That is the execution flow. Okay. Are you clear? All of you clear or any doubt? Next, another example. Here, print hi. Now, if I double equal to 2, I want to break the execution. I want to break the execution. Now, write this example. Now observing very clearly, initially I value is 0. 0 less than 5. Condition is true. Now control will go to while loop. Print hi. And I value is 0 is printed. Now check the condition. 0 double equal to 2. Condition true or false? Control will go to outside the if block. I value is updated. I value 0 plus 1, 1. Again control go to while condition. Now 1 less than 5. Condition is true. Again control go to while loop. Print hi. I value 1 is printed. Next one. 1 double equal to 2. False. Control will go to outside the if block. I value is updated. 1 plus 1, 2. Again control go to while condition. Now 2 less than 5. Condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Print hi. I value is 2. Now check the condition. 2 double equal to 2. Condition is true. Control will go to break statement. Whenever control reach the break statement, control will go to outside the while loop. Don't go to the else block. Whenever control go to else block, our while condition is failed, then only control will go to else block. But here while condition is true, but we are exit from that loop execution with the help of break statement. In that situation, control don't go to the else block. then immediately control will go to outside the else block. Print by statement is executed. That is the output. Okay, whenever while condition is failed, then only control will go to else block.
Sir,
Tell me.
so without using the if conditions, how can you use the break statement in the while loop, sir?
Without condition, how to write the break statement? My requirement is any one condition is required. How to writing the break statement? For suppose without any condition,
What happens, sir? That is my question.
okay, only one time is executed.
Okay, sir.
My requirement is
Uh, uh,
whenever I value is 2, I want to stop the execution, or whenever I value is 5, I want to stop the, that means if you want to require any condition, the condition we can put the break statement.
if we increment that I before the break statement, that time also only once, sir.
Yeah, only one time. Once control reach the break statement, then immediately
Oh.
control will go to outside the while loop.
Okay, sir. If you put the continuous statement, we get that I values.
Okay.
Okay, sir. That's.
But this is not a meaningless. Why we are written this continue on a break? Okay, it is executed only one time. At that time, don't require this one.
Okay, sir. What happens and what will happen and I want to know, sir. That's.
Okay, here clearly I'm specifying one statement. Whenever while condition is failed, then only control will go to else block.
Okay, sir.
So once after increment keep break, no?
Yeah.
And keep break.
After
Increment keep break. Then what will happen?
here I am using break. This is your question.
And then the output will be
Only one time is executed.
okay.
Once control go to the statement, then immediately control will go to outside the while loop.
Okay, sir.
Now I am taking as I equal to 0, while I less than 5, I plus equal to 1, 5 double equal to 3, continue, print, I value I'm trying to printing, else block, print hello, and the print by statement. Write this exam. This is a continuous statement exam. Completed. Now observing very clearly. Initially I value 0. Now check the condition 0 less than 5. Condition is true, control will go to while loop. Now here before printing the I message, I am incrementing the statement. Now I value 0 plus 1. Now I value is 1. Now 1 double equal to 3. 1 double equal to 3 false. Then immediately control will go to outside the if block, print high, I value 1 is printed. Next again control go to while condition. Now 1 less than 5. Condition is true, control will go to while loop, I value is updated 1 plus 1, 2. Check the condition, 2 double equal to 3. Condition is true or false? Condition is false, control will go to outside the if block, print I value 2 is printed. Again control go to while condition, 2 less than 5, condition is true, control will go to while loop, I value is updated 3. Now 3 double equal to 3. This condition is true. Whenever this condition is true, control will go to if block. This is a continuous statement. Once control reach the continuous statement, don't executing remaining statements in our while loop. Then immediately control will go to while loop. Now check the condition, 3 less than 5, condition is true, I value is updated 4. 4 double equal to 3, condition is a fail. Control will go to outside the if block, print high. Now I value is 4. Again control go to while condition, 4 less than 5, condition is true, I value is updated 5. Now 5 double equal to 3. Condition is a fail. Then immediately control will go to outside the if block, high. Now 5. Again control go to while loop, check the condition, 5 less than 5. Now condition is true or false? False. Then immediately control will go to outside the while loop, that means else block. Whenever while condition fail, control will go to else block. That else block hello message is executed. After executing the hello message, control will go to outside the else block, print by statement is executed.